Hello, my friend. Today we are going to show you how to use the pant device to embroider on pants. Firstly, we fix the pant station on the table with this screw, and then we fix the pant on the pant device, pant hoop. Put the pant on the pant device. Firstly, input the pant hoop on the pant station. Then we put backing clothing. After that, we fix the pant on the pant hoop. After we put the pant on the pant hoop, we use the connects to fix it well. We use the connects to make the embroidery surface flat and tight, so the embroidery result will be better. After we fix the pant well, we take it off from the pant station. After we fix the pant well on the pant hoop, we take it off from the pant station. Then we come to the machine operation. Before we put the pant on the pant device, we need to select the frame on the computer first. Select pant frame. After you select frame, it will come to the center automatically. And then we fix the pant on the pant device. There are 3 clicks to fix the pant hoop on the pant device. 1, 2, and 3. We must make sure all these 3 clicks are fixed well. After that, we come to the computer operation. After we select the frame and assemble the pant on the machine, it will stop at this page, the 4th page, and then we come to the first step, select the design we want to embroider, and then come to the 2nd page. Here, you need to check whether you need to upside the design. Here, we don't need to change the direction, so we jump 2nd step, come to the 3rd step, select color for the design according to the thread you put on the machine. And then 4th step, confirm the machine to embroidery condition. And then check border. Check whether the design is at the area you want to embroider. If not, you can press these icons to adjust the position. After we finish all these settings, we go back to the main page and then press Start button to make the machine working. When make a pant embroidery, we can lower down the speed to seek for better quality. And the machine is automatic. It will embroider automatically until finish. After embroidery, it will stop automatically, and then we take it off. Huh?
现在直播，拿不出来，